Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I've uploaded videos in YouTube. Now I'm back with an unboxing video. This is BOYA M1 mic. It's best for beginners as well. It costed me around 900 rupees. So we're going to test it in outdoors as well. So without any further ado, let's start. Let's just start unboxing this BOYA M1 microphone. It comes with this type of packaging. Let's just open them. Oh, they've got some stickers as well. That's a nice thing from microphone products. These are the stickers, and they have even given some warranty guide and quick start guide information as a booklet. But who needs these? Let's just open the main package. They even provided you this leather pouch to store your microphone safely so that it doesn't get damaged. 1x4-inch microphone adapter for your amplifier and etc. And soft cushioning for your noise cancellation through your microphone. This is a clip which you can attach to your collar so that it doesn't fall off. This is a main microphone, and this is a battery. Let's just say one thing, that they have provided you ample wiring and cables for good length of microphone, which is a good thing. It comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack pin, which you can insert to your phone and record it directly without any external setup or connection. This is a battery box, and you can even configure your settings, like if you wanna switch it to camera, you can switch it from here so that it uses the battery which they provided you in this microphone. We are recording the audio, like you are listening this audio from normal default phone microphone, and let's just switch it to this BOYA M1 microphone. Currently you are now listening to BOYA M1 microphone audio input, and you can see the significant difference or anything. It is recommendable to listen this audio in earphones so that you can differentiate the audio between the default microphone from phone and this BOYA M1. Hello. So yeah, you can listen this. I am on my terrace right now. It's quite windy and sunny here. I can't even open my eyes properly. Right now I'm recording my audio in default phone's microphone, and you can listen to the wind noise as well. Let's switch to BOYA M1 mic and let's hear it as well. Okay, so right now the audio which you are listening to is coming from this BOYA M1 microphone, and the wind is constant, but you can see the significant audio difference and the noise cancellation which is coming from BOYA M1 mic. If you're still watching this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. I do take a vow that I upload videos in this channel frequently from now on. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.